getting it prepped to mount it so I can make all my decisions. In a moment here, we're going to break out that baboon wood. Baboon. It's called gaboon. Who cares? Anyway, I cut out a few pieces, starting with masking tape, to make templates. So here I'm going to apply some thin layers of glue. I already pre-drilled the parts because I intend on putting brass nails in it as well. The color combination's a little off, but we'll work on that as we go. There we go. Apply a little glue to that as well. Give you a close-up, get you all involved here. Yeah. Don't really necessarily need to use rubber gloves, but when you're touching a whole bunch of other stuff, if you notice here, that bottom piece is broke. This wood ain't cheap, so I decided, you know what, we'll keep that broke piece in there. Folded it, put a little bit of glue in the crack, and I made this video about 5 days ago. I can tell you that you won't even notice that crack's there now. Put the brass pins in place to make sure it's in the right alignment. And that's pretty much it. All that was left was to clamp it up and let it dry. Okay, that's where we are in the build right now. As you can see, the inlays are now outlays. Smooth, very, very smooth. A lot more sanding to do. I gotta make some design up here yet. And, well, needless to say, let's just keep on going. All right, you ready to get out of here? All right, let's go. Are you afraid of ghosts? No? Okay.